Well, good afternoon, United members. I'd like to report to you some success today and maybe some things we'd like to do a little bit better, but we're really working hard for you. Just want to give you another update. This will be the third in our series of updates for you on the video. So thank you again for being patient, and thank you for working with us today. We've had a lot of challenges, but the good news is you can see the sun's out. And that's a welcome thing for our crews today, because we've been able to really accelerate our pace. We've been able to see better and get to places better. Things are starting to dry out a little bit, not getting us stuck as much, which is good. One of the benefits, I guess, of things going together today is our resources have really come together. And I just want to shout out to all those resources real quick, but I want to give you a feel for what we have out in the field right now. And I know, our territory is quite large. And so you may not feel like we're out there, but folks, we are out there. And I want to tell you the folks that we have dedicated to our restoration efforts right now. Obviously, we have our own crews from all of our offices across the system. The Stephenville crews obviously are working right now, but we have crews from all 5 other offices that we have in Stephenville working for you right now. On top of that, we have our contractors, and that's CNR Powerline and Scott Poleline, and both of those have multiple crews working here in the Stephenville area for us right now. And I also want to shout out to the Texas co-ops that are helping us right now, and I'll go through that list. That list is Bandera Electric Cooperative, Bluebonnet Electric Cooperative, Hamilton Electric Cooperative, Heart of Texas Electric Cooperative, Hillco Electric Cooperative, Jasper Newton Electric Cooperative, Lenegar Electric Cooperative, San Bernard Electric Cooperative, South Plains Electric Cooperative, and we have one cooperative on their way right now. They should be here any minute, from a Tri-County Electric Cooperative in Oklahoma. And so, folks, we have dedicated the resources to get things done here, and these guys, they're working almost every outage they go to. I visited several of them in the field today. They go and they're finding poles down or wire down from the ice storm that we had a couple days ago. So, and what that means, some of that wire we can pick back up, but some of it we can't. And so we're having to replace it with new wire, much like this. And that takes a little bit of time, because it's just like building a new line. And for those of you that have started service with us recently, you know that's a bit of a process. So again, we appreciate your patience, and for those that we haven't reached yet, what we're expecting at this point, and we don't know exactly, because it all depends on what we find when we go from outage to outage, is that hopefully by Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't know exactly, that we'll have most everybody back on. But to let you know where we were at the start of today, we had 4,450 members out of power. So that was at 6 o'clock this morning when we rotated all the crews and put them all in play again. And so now we're almost 3,000. And so we've cut that down almost by 1,500 folks out. And folks, we're just working on it. And again, I appreciate your patience, and thank you for everything that you're going through, because it's not easy for you, but I can tell you one thing: it's not easy for our crews either right now. They're going on day 4, just like some of you without power. They're going on day 4 without seeing their families, and they're working really hard. They're tired, but they keep at it. And one of the great things about the co-op and the community is the fact that everybody binds together and works together. And it's been a great thing to see folks out in the field work with our crews there locally to get things done, and also folks here coming to our office, even today, that are bringing things in for us, bringing meals, bringing drinks, all those kind of things that the crews just truly appreciate, and I appreciate it as well. And so thank you for that. It's been a blessing to have our members engage with us that way, and it just shows that there's people out there that really care and are really appreciative of these guys, and I just thank you so much for that. So we'll give you another update tomorrow. We're not stopping Sunday. We're going to continue on. We'll have office hours in Stephenville still, just like we did today, in case you need to see us. And those will be 10 o'clock to about 3 or 4. And so we'll have folks, if you need to come in and do business, we'll have folks here for you. So anyway, God bless, and continue to pray for our guys' safety, and just thank you for being patient with us.